Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to run Python programs online and create web apps using the best and most useful online Python interpreter, Python Anywhere. In this platform, we get almost all of the Python libraries and modules, for example, Pandas, NumPy, TensorFlow, and much more. So let's check it out. Python Anywhere is a free tool to create and use Python programs. There is a paid version to get access to many other features, with an upgraded storage size. What makes it useful is its versatile library, where we can find all standard and needful modules, and its file sharing capabilities, where we can upload and download required files quite easily. Let's create a new Python file to start programming here. On the top, click on Files. Now in the blank write the name of your Python file. To create one, click on New File. And here comes the code editor. Let's create a simple Python program to calculate the square root of a number. Now click Run. And our program runs successfully. As I said earlier, we can download and upload program-generated files. I have created a program that generates a text file for the combination of letters. Clicking Run, as you can see, our code has run successfully. Let's check the created file. As you can see, it has generated the required file and I can download the file to my local storage. One more useful feature of it is that we can create interactive and mesmerizing web apps. With advanced web framework tools like Django, Flask or Bottle, the free version of Python Anywhere creates a web page in Python Anywhere Web, but if you get the paid version, you can create your own domain name, plus with many other features. Click on Next. Now select your framework. I have selected the Django framework. Click on Python version. Now create a project name. And our web app is ready. Creating a subdomain from Python Anywhere has a benefit of customizing our web page completely from scratch, as other tools would not let us do that, like that of WordPress or other platforms. We can get into the code editor and edit our web app. As our page is created, let's check it out. Python has a profound name in the domain of creating visually appealing web apps, and with Python Anywhere, we can get it for free. Python Anywhere is partly free, which gives us a free storage of about 512 MBs, and a limited access to specific features. With Python Anywhere, we can get a free access to the cloud computing services, like that of the Amazon AWS and Microsoft Azure. In the next video, we will create a web page using Python and its frameworks. To get latest updates and tutorials, like and subscribe to my channel.